Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I'm sharing with you the only shoes you're going to need to wear this fall. These are the block-heeled shoes from YODEKS. So these pumps are amazing because they're comfortable and because they're versatile. So first of all, I really love this color blocking effect they have with these shoes. I love that both colors are neutral, which means you can match them with any single color. I promise, anything. They'll match any color, even prints. And because they're a pump, you might assume they only would really go with a dressy look, with a skirt, with a dress, which is very true. But I was pleasantly surprised to see how many of my casual outfits looked great with these pumps. They definitely elevated a casual look such as jeans and made my outfit a little bit more dressy. So I wore them with blue jeans, I wore them with white jeans, and I even wore them with black jeans, and I really loved the look that they gave my casual outfits. As well, thanks to this block stacked heel, you can wear these all day long and they're going to be comfortable the whole day. I found that these shoes fit very true to size. I'm a 7.5 and I ordered a 7.5 and they fit me like a glove. But in case they are a little bit big on you, they do include these little inserts around the ankle, which are really nice because they can make the shoe fit a little more snugly, or at least give you that extra comfort around your ankles. Even though these shoes aren't genuine leather, I was really impressed with how they wore. I've been wearing these nonstop for 3 weeks, and I love the fact that there's no scuffs, there's no marks on them. They're in mint condition, so they're really great quality. I just love these shoes. I love the style, love the design, love the comfort, and I know you're gonna love them as well. But that's just my point of view.